Avatars are not new. You've seen them on Snapchat as Bitmoji and on iPhone as Memoji. And now these cute animated avatars are coming to both Facebook and Instagram. And this is a big feature. Now you may ask why? Well, this is the starting of the metaverse, the next generation of the internet. Now avatars are going to become our virtual identity on the internet in future. So far, our virtual identities have been represented by our profile pictures on social media platforms. But in the coming years, your 3D avatar is going to represent you online. Your avatar can look like you, or you can make it look like however you want your online persona to be seen. You can customize almost everything about your avatar, from outfits, hairstyles to expressions. Hello there, my name is Ashri and oh, like that is a brand new series where I tell you all the hacks, tips and tricks for anything and everything related to tech. And in this episode, I will tell you how you can create and use 3D avatars on both Facebook and Instagram. So let's get started. Open Instagram and then go to Settings and Account. Here you will find a new option called Avatar. Just tap on that and get started. You can now choose your avatar skin tone, hairstyle, eye color, outfits and much more. And once you are done making changes, tap on Done at the top right corner and your avatar will be updated. You can now start using your avatar stickers on stories as well as Instagram DMs. Just open any chat, tap on the plus icon and then Jiffy. Then go to avatar. And here you go, your avatar stickers are ready to be used. Now you don't have to create your 3D avatar separately for Facebook. Your 3D avatar for Instagram will automatically sync across Facebook and vice versa. But if you feel like editing your avatar on Facebook, you can do it. Just tap on the hamburger menu on the right corner, scroll below and go to avatars. Here you can edit your avatar just to your liking. Then open any chat box on Messenger and tap on the smiley icon. You will find all your 3D avatar stickers right here. You can then use these for a fun conversation or even set your avatar as a profile picture. So currently, Instagram avatars can be used in both stories and DMs, while Facebook avatars are available only on Messenger and your profile picture. But in future, you will be able to use your 3D avatars on both Instagram and Facebook in much more immersive ways. Do let me know in the comment section below what you think about 3D avatars.